Hello everyone, so today we are going to discuss uterus. In layman language, the uterus is called womb. It is also called hysteria, on which word hysterectomy is based. That is removal of the uterus. You can see here, this is uterus. Uterus is child-bearing organ in female, situated in the pelvis between bladder anteriorly and rectum posteriorly. So here we have, this is rectum posteriorly. Uterus can be palpated bimanually during the pervaginum examination. Now come to the external feature of the uterus. Uterus is piriform in shape. You can see here. Piriform in shape. Its weight near about 30 to 40 grams. It is divided into upper expanded part, that is body of the uterus, and lower cylindrical part, this is cervix of the uterus. Cervix continue as this is vagina. You can see here, this is vagina. Now, there are two angles in the uterus which help to prevent the prolapse of the uterus. First is the angle of the anteversion. It is forward bending of the uterus relative to the vagina. So, between the uterus and vagina, this angle present here and it is 90 degree, and this is known as angle of anteversion here. Next angle is angle of anteflexion between the body of the uterus and cervix here, and it is 125 degree. So over the superior angle of the uterus, you can see here this tube-like structure. This is fallopian tube. Fallopian tube has four parts. First is isthmus, then ampulla, this is infundibulum, and this finger-like process, these are fimbria. And you can see here, this is ovary. Now come to the ligaments of the uterus. There are a lot of ligaments attached to the uterus. Some of them also provide support to the uterus. Now first of all, broad ligament. So here we have, this is broad ligament. This whole is broad ligament. We have right and left broad ligament. These are fold of peritoneum which extend from the uterus to the lateral pelvic wall. In the broad ligament, you can see here this tortuous artery. This is uterine artery that supply the uterus. Now come to ligament of ovary. You can see here, this is ligament of ovary. It passes from the lower pole of the ovary to the lateral angle of the uterus. The part of the broad ligament lying between uterine tube and ligament of ovary, between the uterine tube and ligament of ovary, this area is called mesosalpinx, while the part below the ligament of ovary is called mesometrium. So there are lot of muscular support of the uterus we cannot see here. These are pelvic diaphragm, perineal body, urogenital diaphragm, tubocervical ligament, transverse cervical ligament of McEnroe, uterosacral ligament, and round ligament of uterus. Some points about the clinical anatomy of the uterus. Sometimes the uterus passes downward into the vagina. This condition is called prolapse of the uterus. In some cases, normal childbirth through the vagina is not possible and child is delivered by cutting open the abdomen and the uterus. This operation or procedure is called caesarean section. Hysterectomy is operation for the removal of the uterus. Malignant growth or carcinoma of the uterus is common in cervix, this area, than the body. So the cervical cancer is considered the commonest cancer in the female. Next in frequency is the cancer of breast.